Hey folks, we're going into Pie Factory today to test out Alabama hot sauce fire honey on delicious pizza. So come on in. You're in the video.
Walking to the restaurant.
Walking to the restaurant.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Hey folks, this is Phil with Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. And I'm being waited on by
Kate.
the lovely Kate. I have a question for you.
What's that?
Two questions. First, what's the three words in your logo? Geese,
Love
and pizza.
Yes, sir.
And second, has anybody ever said the pizza was no good?
No, sir.
All right, thank you,
I
darling.
got you. You
Appreciate
enjoy
it. Bye-bye. All right, folks, once again, Phil at Alabama Hot Sauce. It's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I am at the Pie Factory in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Now, I make my sauce in Florence, Alabama. I'm in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, but these two cities are split by the Tennessee River. So the city limits leads right to the middle of the river for each of the cities. So I'm in Muscle Shoals today because this pie factory, to be honest, I think has the best pizza pie I've ever eaten. Now, I've ordered a personal one here. What I want to show you today is I want to show you how to take a great pizza and turn it into an unbelievable pizza. And I'm going to do that with my new Alabama hot sauce, Fire Honey. Now, hot honey or fire honey is a booming subject now. It goes good on all kinds of food. I put videos out putting it on peaches, on ice cream, on many things. But the thing people most rave about is fire honey on pizza. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put it on pizza. I've never done that, by the way, with my honey. This is a first. But I'm going to put it on pizza, and I'm going to try to describe how I think it enhances the taste. Now, all of our fire honey comes with a no drip, no mess top, which is unique compared to other fire honeys on the market. And it's sealed, so I'm going to remove that seal. And screw this top back on. The cool thing about this top is no mess, no drip. It does not drip at all, which means the bottle, outside the bottle, is not going to be messy. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to liberally coat one of these slices of pepperoni pizza. And you notice as soon as I stop squeezing, the flow of honey stops. And now I'm going to go in for a little taste of this baby. Man, this is perfect. Look at that crust. Perfect pizza. Wow, what a difference that makes. Not only is the pizza hot with fire, but it's hot with this little, just a touch of pepper heat from this fire honey.
Anything we can do for you right now?
I'm good, thank you, darling. The biggest thing is, this is delicious. You get, of course, the fabulous taste of a good pepperoni pizza. You get the great tasting real cheese here. Not a lot of pepperoni pizzas come with that. Here at this pizza place, they believe in fresh ingredients. But you get the sweetness of the honey and the bite of the pepper in the honey. Wow. This is really good. I think I will not eat pizza again without my fire honey on it. because this is amazing. Let's try another little slice. I'm gonna put it on a little heavier on this one. You can see that this thing is just coated with that fire honey. Let's see how she tastes. Absolutely amazing. I don't see how pizza could be this good. Pardon me for eating like a pig. But that's just what happens. Crunchy, sweet, very well spiced in the kitchen back there. Pizza and hot honey, only way to go. Once again, folks, thank you for joining me on this short video. Like I said, Mr. Phil, Alabama Hot Sauce. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell so YouTube can notify you every single time I produce a new video. Again, Mr. Phil, Alabama Hot Sauce, at the Pie Factory in Muscle Shoals. I'll see you next time.